Ayun, good morning. Mag-change oil lang tayo. Mag-change oil lang ako. Maintenance ng ano eh. Karito na siya dito. Ay! Pinark ko na siya kahapon pa. There you go. Ayun. Kailangan nyo lang ng ano dito, patakon na ano. Ay, kailangan ng gloves.
2 hours later.
Tignan natin to. Tapos yung 60 ml. 600 pala. 600 ml. Hindi 60. There you go. Tapos, i-reset lang natin tong maintenance niya. Tingnan lang. Ayan. Pero, yan hindi ko apakan yung ano. Turn on lang natin yung accessories niya. Yan. Tapos, isang pindot ulit. Ano siya? So, i-reset lang natin yung maintenance niya. Saka lang natin ito pintuan. Yan. So, ayan, pipindutin. Yan, ito. Nakaano kasi yung manibela ko eh. Tinabingin ko kahapon. So, yan. Hanapin nyo lang siya doon. Yung sa yan. 50%. 50%. So, gagawin nyo lang yan. Ginagawa ko din. Reset lang yan. So, ito. Pindot ko to. long press para mag 0-0 yun. 10 seconds. Yan. Kita nyo, di ba? Select nyo lang yung reset. Yan, select nyo lang yung reset. And then, pindot nyo ulit tong ito ang okay na. There you go. Kita nyo? Oil 100% ulit. So, yan. Okay na. Papalit na rin ako ng air filter nya at cabin. Yearly ako nagpapalit ng depende pa kung palaging magalikabok. Ayan. Ito yung luma. Ayan ito yung bago. Rin to, $25. So ayan. Ito yung bago. Ayan yung luma. Ayan. Ako na yan. Para hindi masyado. There you go. Ay. Ayan. Dito siya. Yun. Yan. Lang yan. Yung kay Mrs. Ang hirap. Dumi Mga sinasalo niya na Ano lang to. Pinalitan ko to nung bago mag-winter. So, 7 months siguro. Grabe dumi. Yan, para yung airflow sa loob. Ito yung bago. Kano bili ko dito? $27. Mas mahal pa to kaysa dun sa air filter niya. Ano naman pinagkaiba. Diba? So, balik lang siya. Balik nyo lang siya. Ayan. Tapos linis na tayo ng sasakyan and then we're good.
I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. there? Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your every doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard.